I'm aboard the Colvic 20, listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. I'm just going to walk around on deck. You can see how she's laid out. So just looking aft here to the aft deck, the engine, auxiliary bracket, bathing ladder. You can see the canopy there. Just going to walk along starboard side deck. Nice and easy, wide and safe. Onto the foredeck. Solar panel there, new windlass, control from the helm or foot switches, and just back along the port side deck, some steps just put in there to make access easy. Along the side deck, back aft. And back where we started. If you'd like more information, please go to www.boatshedoilofwight.com.